Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you want to create or purchase or want a cash app card for free, so here in this video I'm going to talk about each and everything how you can get a card for free. But unfortunately, if I answer you in short sentence, then you actually can't order a cash app card totally free. You have to give a simple charge for that card, and if you want to personalize the card, so you have to add some extra payment or extra fee. So now let's get into the video, then see how you can order or create a personalized credit card or debit card from Cash App. So first, you have to do is open your Cash App application. Now once you are on the Cash App application, you have to simply click on your profile icon or the money icon here or the money button here. So once you have clicked on it, where you can find all of your balance. So make sure that you have at least $5 available for purchasing a card. So from here, you have to do is go back here and simply click on the cash card here, where you can able to add boost, and from here you can find different types of company that you can add to your Cash App and use credit card on their Cash App, the cash card on these platforms. Now once you have clicked on the cash card, this card icon here, you can scroll, you can find a pop-up section, and the card, if you don't have any card, you can find it, this tab will be blank, and you can find a pop-up section. Now you have to scroll down and you can find design a new card, where you will be able to create a card. So once you have clicked on it, you can find the different types of style from here, that the classic card and the metal card. So the metal card obviously can charge you more than the regular card. So if you want to go, or if you want to remain budget friendly, or you want to solve it in a cheap way, so you can go with the classic, where you can find the first three card in $5, that the first one, second one, and third one. And also there is more option, the metal here, so metal will charge you $50 here. So once you have choose your card from here, then you will be able to personalize the card, and you can order this also. So let's personalize the card here. So once you have click on it, your screen will be rotated, and from here you can find the undo button. If you have draw anything, you can find the line that you can draw anything, any line you want. Then the emojis here, that you will be able to add emojis, and if you click on this dollar tag, then you will be able to add your cash tag that you have on your Cash App account. And also you can add emojis by this emojis icon here. Once you have done personalizing, you can also undo any settings, any changes you want. Also you can delete the entire design that you have made. So once you have done creating or personalizing your Cash App card, you will be able to order it or place the order for this physical card from the Cash App. So for that, you have to simply click on this order card button here, and from here it will show you the exact address that you have added while you have created your Cash App account. So make sure the address is perfect here, or currently matched with your current address. So you can also edit it by the pen icon, you can find it in this place here. So once you have added the perfect address where you want to get the delivery, so after that simply click on next. Then you have to go with this here, that how would you like to your card shipped. So here you can choose the free shipment. They won't charge you any money for this shipment. It will be free, but it will take 7 to 10 business days. So if you don't on hurry, so you can go with the free, or if you want it immediately or emergency, then you can go with this expedited, that will charge you $50. So from here, once you have choose the free on here, you will be only charged the $5.45. That for $0.45 is the tax. So then you have to simply click on confirm order. Then you have to confirm this by your cash pin. So once you have entered the cash pin correctly, you can find in the card tab there is preparing cash card. So once it will prepared, it will arrive to your expected location. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.